Entry Tuesday. So today on this week's episode, we're going to be talking about the possible buy opportunities that you could have taken advantage on in USD JPY. Okay, so without a doubt, let's jump right into it. All right, so as we can see here from the higher time frames on the 4-hour chart here, we can see that, you know, at one point in time, a level of resistance got broken after a pullback. So that's what you would be looking for. So let's zoom it down to the hour time frame here so you guys can get some more clarity of what's going on. So as you can see here, at one point in time, the market struggled to break this level of resistance here. But the minute it broke this level of resistance, it came back, it retested not once, but twice. So that gave you two entry opportunities. And I'm going to highlight that for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about here. And, you know, Confluence is a great way to trade. Multiple confirmations. This is just one of them. On the YouTube channel, I mainly talk about levels of resistance being broken. That is the main thing that could, you know, sense some kind of detection of something going on, that, you know, that trend is changing, and you should be on the lookout for what could possibly happen next. Okay, so as it broke this level of resistance here, you see it came back and this resistance turned into support. Okay, and then it shot off. Okay, so where would I set up my risk to reward ratio? Right, so what I would do once this was coming back to the level of support here, I would then take out my long position tool here, and I would get in after the first bullish candle. Okay, once I do that, I measure my stop loss here. I probably put about 20 pips. That seems reasonable. And as you guys can see, I'd risk 20 pips, and the potential payout here would be 80 pips. So that's a 1-to-4 ratio, you know, and that's a low risk trade. You could take in that trade on a 0.50 or even a 0.25, and you could have made some good amount of money from it. Okay, so it's quick little trades like this that you can take. Seeing things like this happen, level of resistance and support, you know, being broken. As you can see here at this pullback, that was another opportunity that you could have placed an entry, as long as you understand what is happening in the markets and how to take advantage of it. So we're going to let this play out. This is it. Like I said, I like to keep it short for our Entry Tuesdays and Thursdays, kind of give you guys a little 5-minute or less rundown on, you know, what's going on in this week's chart and how you could have possibly take advantage of the possible positions that are happening. So tune in on Thursday for the next entry opportunity. We're going to look at a different pair. And if you want more, you know, detailed analysis, breakdown, and understand my overall idea of the charts, then, you know, go ahead. I'm going to be dropping a course soon, so stay followed up on that, and check out my Instagram as well, so you guys can see the date that I'll be dropping the course. Okay, so once more, thanks again, and I'll see you on Thursday.